Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Once again, I welcome back everyone to our computer class. So, children, we have completed our lesson 2, that is parts of a computer. So, children, what we have learned in this lesson? We have learned that a computer works with the help of two basic things. What are they? Hardware and software. And what is our hardware? Hardware refers to the parts of the computer that we can see and touch, such as the monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard, printer. These all are our hardware. And what is our software? Software we cannot see or touch it. These are set of programs. So children, we have learnt about some hardware parts. What are they? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, then our printer, then pen drive, modem. About all this we have learned. I hope you all of you have understood. Then we have learnt about our software part. Two types of softwares are there. Those are operating system software and application software. Operating system software is the main software of our computer. Okay. Examples of operating system software are Windows 7 and Mac OS X. Okay, children. Then we have learnt about our application software. Application software helps us to perform a specific task or specific function, like our MS Word, MS Point, then Microsoft PowerPoint, MS Paint. These all are our application software. So children, then we have understood the difference between hardware and software. So, today we will discuss some big question answers of our lesson. So, children, kindly open your page number 30 of your computer book. Okay? And write the answers in your notebook. So, question number 1 is given. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. So, children, here you can see fill in the blanks questions are given and two options are there. You have to write the correct option from the givens. So, first question is given. Days make a computer work. Hardware and data or hardware and software? We all of you know its answer. It is hardware and software. I have given tick mark here. You have to write the answer in the blank. Then second number question is we use the days keys to perform a specific function. That are our function keys. The days key help the cursor several spaces. Which one? Tab key. A dash is a device that helps to connect one computer to many computers through the internet. What is the device, children? Modem. We plug a pen drive to the dash of the CPU. Answer is USB port. I hope you all of you have understood these answers. Then we will go to question number 2. Choose the correct option in the each of the following. First bit, which of these do not form the main part of the CPU? We all of you know that three main parts there in our CPU. Those are ALU, CU and MU. So CDR is not the main part of our CPU. So you give tick mark on CDR. Then question number B is which of these keys when pressed in combination with a letter key types the letter in capital? That one is our shift key. Okay children, answer is our shift key. Question number C, which of these is true about a CD-ROM? It stores information outside a computer. Yes, it is true statement because it is our external device. It can store large amount of information. It is also our true statement. A special software is needed to store information on a CD-ROM. It is also our true statement. It can be inserted in the USB port. It is our false statement because our pen drive can be inserted in the USB port. Then 4 number question is given. Identify the keys used to type the following. Question number A is given A, B, C, D and asterisk and our hash. These are our typing keys. Question number B 1, 2, 3, 4. These are our number keys. Question number C page up, page down. These are our navigation keys. Control and Alt keys. These are our control keys. F1 and F2. These are our function keys. So children, I hope all of you have understood it. Now we will come to question number 5. The names of different software are given here. Write them under the correct columns. See children, word box is there. What are the words given? Windows XP, MS Outlook Express, Windows 7, MS Excel, Mac OS X, Adobe Photoshop, MS Publisher and CorelDRAW. So children, from here application software are our MS Outlook Express, MS Excel, Adobe Photoshop, MS Publisher and CorelDRAW, because these all are used for a specific work. Then our operating system software are Windows XP, Windows 7, Mac OS X. Okay children, because these are the main software of our computer. So students, I hope you all of you have understood these bit question answer type questions. So please write it down in your notebook so that you can read easily. Then whatever left we will discuss in our next video. I hope you all of you have understood. So please stay at your home, stay safely and listen to your parents. Okay children? Thank you.